Don't automatically assume your master cylinder is to blame for a soft brake pedal. Air in the brake system is most often the reason behind a soft brake pedal that sinks to the floor when you apply pressure. Try bleeding the brakes first and see if that solves the problem before checking other possible causes like leaks in the brake lines or a bad brake booster. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be working on the 2004 Suzuki Forenza, and we're going to be changing the brake master cylinder. The master cylinder is easy to get to and to remove. It's attached to the brake booster and back between the coolant reservoir and the throttle body. For more working room, I'm going to be removing the coolant reservoir tank and setting it aside without disconnecting the hoses. We have 2 brake lines to remove and 2 12mm nuts. This is our new brake master cylinder, reservoir included. It comes with a sensor and a bench bleeding kit. Let me get the sensor snapped into place first, real quick. Then I'll fill up the reservoir with just enough fluid to cover the ends of the hoses. And I'm using a screwdriver to push the plunger back and forth, flushing all the air bubbles that were in the brake master cylinder. Once the bubbles are all removed, we can put the cap back on, take off the plastic brake bleeding hoses, and install the new brake master cylinder. After you're finished installing the master cylinder, don't forget to pump up your brakes a few times until they feel good and firm. Then go for a test drive. Okay, we're finished installing a brake master cylinder on this 2004 Suzuki Forenza. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.